Some cryptocurrencies fight the system. One tried to upgrade it. While Bitcoin aimed to replace banks, Ripple aimed to connect them. This is the story of Ripple and XRP, the most misunderstood cryptocurrency, the bridge between traditional finance and blockchain, and the project that took on regulators and survived. Crypto was born from rebellion, decentralization, censorship resistance, no intermediaries. But one project asked a different question. What if banks didn't disappear, but became faster, cheaper, global? That question led to Ripple. International payments are broken, slow, expensive, opaque. Traditional systems like SWIFT can take days. Fees pile up, intermediaries multiply. The world needed real-time settlement. Ripple's roots go back to 2012. Founders included Jed McCaleb, Chris Larson. Their goal was not anonymity, but efficiency. They wanted to build the Internet of Value. Ripple is the company. XRP is the digital asset. XRP runs on the XRP ledger, a fast, low-cost, energy-efficient blockchain. Transactions settle in seconds. Fees are tiny. Energy use is minimal. XRP is not mined, it already exists. XRP uses a unique consensus mechanism. No proof of work, no proof of stake. Validators agree through consensus, not competition. This allows high speed, low cost, massive scalability. XRP was built for payments. Ripple partnered with banks, not to disrupt them, but to modernize them. Cross-border transfers, liquidity management, instant settlement. XRP could replace Nostro and Vostro accounts, freeing billions in locked capital. XRP's core use case is simple: bridge currencies. Convert one fiat to XRP, send it instantly, convert it to another fiat. No need to pre-fund accounts. Speed becomes advantage. Critics attacked Ripple. Too centralized, too corporate, too friendly with banks. But Ripple embraced its path. Different philosophy, different mission. XRP wasn't trying to be Bitcoin. Then came the turning point. In 2020, the SEC sued Ripple, claiming XRP was an unregistered security. Exchanges delisted XRP, price collapsed, fear spread. It became one of the biggest legal battles in crypto history. For years, the case dragged on. Uncertainty froze adoption. Developers waited, investors watched. But Ripple fought back. They argued XRP is a currency, not a security. In 2023, a partial victory arrived. Courts ruled that programmatic XRP sales were not securities. Markets reacted instantly. Hope returned. The ruling reshaped crypto regulation. XRP survived. It remains one of the oldest crypto assets, one of the fastest settlement networks, a bridge between crypto and finance. The XRP ledger continues to evolve. NFTs, smart contract-like features, tokenization. Crypto is no longer one chain. XRP fits where speed matters. Payments, remittances, liquidity. It doesn't try to do everything. It does one thing very well. As energy concerns rise, XRP stands out. Minimal carbon footprint, no mining, green by design. Sustainability is not an upgrade, it's native. XRP still faces challenges. Regulation varies. Adoption takes time. Perception lingers. But clarity brings opportunity. XRP matters because it moves money instantly. It reduces global costs. It connects fiat systems. It challenged regulation and won. Few projects survive a legal war. XRP did. Bitcoin rejected banks. Ethereum reimagined systems. Ripple negotiated with reality. It chose pragmatism over ideology. And in doing so, it changed the conversation. This was the story of Ripple, XRP, the coin that challenged the banks and lived to tell the tale. This is Echoes of the Past.